quiet village, there lived a curious boy named Rayan who loved playing with marbles. Among all, his favorite was a shiny blue marble his grandfather had given him. He always kept it in his pocket and believed it brought him luck. One day at school, during break time, Rayan showed his blue marble to a group of kids. One boy, Zaki, admired it a lot. After recess, Rayan realized the marble was missing. He looked everywhere but couldn't find it. That evening, he sat sadly under a tree. His teacher, Mr. Haroon, saw him and asked what was wrong. Rayan told him everything. Mr. Haroon said, "Sometimes we lose things to learn their value, but honesty is more valuable than any marble." The next day, Zaki came to Rayan and handed him the marble. "I took it," he said with tears in his eyes, "but I felt guilty all night." Rayan smiled, forgave him, and gave him a marble from his collection. Moral: it's never too late to do the right thing. Honesty and forgiveness are stronger than any treasure.